Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, I'm going to show you around and discuss the different automated emails inside of software, most especially the automated emails for disputes. Now to get into that screen from the dashboard, you just have to go to Company, and from the drop down you need to go to Manage Emails to access all the automated emails. There you go. So from here, you would see some training videos on the drop down that will guide you in case you'll get lost into navigation. And this will also help you understand the functions of the features on the screen. And this right here is what we're going to be discussing about the different automated email templates that's automatically being sent out by the software. Now onto this automated email templates. For you to understand further what are those emails, you can always preview the email template by clicking the view icon. So this right here, so that you would see the contents of that specific email. And you could also edit it if you want to add something. You could put it right here. But when it comes to editing, please make sure to read the important note, which is about the placeholders. So this placeholders, do not edit these placeholders because the software will automatically put some information in there. Alright, so if you've made some changes or you've added something in here, you can just hit on update to kick in the changes. If you want to further know and understand what this email would look like exactly, as soon as it's sent out to your customers, all you have to do is create a test account or test emails and add those as a test customers in the software and try doing this particular actions that would trigger these emails so that you would get to see how it would look like on your customer's end. So let's discuss these emails. The first one is the admin send document notification. So this one right here. This admin send document notification lets you know that your customer has sent you a document, and you can now go to the document section to review those documents. So this is what it would look like once they receive the email. This right here are placeholders. So automatically this would be populated by the software. So it's basically letting you, your company name right here, that your customer, whoever is the customer, that would be indicated right here onto the placeholder, that they have sent you documents for review, and you'll be able to see the document name and the description right here. Then we have the affiliate create new password request, and you would see that right here. This particular email is being sent out to your affiliate once you added them inside the software and make them active. That means you are now providing their login credentials, or for them to create their new password as their login credentials onto their affiliate portal. Now if you will be editing the template, just make sure not to touch these placeholders, especially the link right here, this login link, because this would totally mess up this particular email, as those are automatically populated inside of software. The next automated email that we'll be discussing is the affiliate login link. This is if the affiliate missed the login link, so you can basically resend this for them to go to the affiliate login page. So this is the email would look like. Then we have the affiliate welcome email, this one right here. So the affiliate welcome email is the very first email that your affiliates will be receiving once you make them active. Alright, this can be done under the affiliate screen. So let's open a new tab right here for the affiliates. And this right here, you would see their affiliate, new affiliates that you have as a lead. And then right here, this is a sample lead. So if you go to actions and change the status to active and hit on save, so that means this specific client is now an active affiliate. So by that time, they will receive that email, which is the affiliate welcome email. Now let's go over the other emails. So right here, we do have the agreement for user emails. The agreement for user emails is a notification to you and to your clients that lets you know that the agreement has been signed. So if you view on that, so this is what it would look like. Then we have the billing reminder email. So the billing reminder email allows your customer to be reminded of their due bill. So how do we make sure that this email goes out? Now let me show you that right now. So if you go to customers, so let's open the other tab. So if you go to customers, and you would see your list of your customers right here. If you go to under the billing section, and you see this icon showing billing reminder, so you just have to click on that. Then set when the bill is due, of course their due date, and set up a billing reminder system right here in any of these form. Then that would automatically be the email that's going to go out for your customers, which is the billing reminder email. So let's go back to the manage emails. So again, the billing reminder is something that you have to set onto the customer screen under billing section in order for that email to go out. Then after that, we do have the client auto sign up email. So this right here, the client auto sign up email allows you to know that there's a new lead came in. So if you click on that, so this is what it would look like. So this is a new lead that came in through your client auto sign up lead form onto your website. So this is what it would look like. Then we have the client tracking portal. So this is the client tracking portal email. The client tracking portal email is an email being sent out to your clients as soon as you change their status to active inside the software. So this allows them to create their login credentials to the client tracking portal. So basically, if you go to customers, let's go to customer screen. So this is the customer screen. By default, when you added them into the software, they will be in a no portal access. Sorry, let me go back. Go to status. So they will be on a no portal access. Once you change them to active status, by that time they will receive that client tracking portal email. Alright, so I'm going back to the manage emails. So aside from the client tracking portal, we also have the client tracking portal create new password request. So this is like a troubleshooting that you can send them out if ever they forgot their login credentials. You can send them the client tracking portal create new password request so that your clients can make changes onto their login or password. So if you view that, this is what it would look like. There you go. So like I said earlier, the placeholders, make sure not to make changes on this, especially these placeholders that has a link, because it will mess up the email. Then we also have the consumer credit file rights disclosure email. This one right here. This is when your clients sign the consumer credit file rights disclosure from the client auto sign up process. Then we have the contract email. This one right here. So if you click on view, the contract email is the email being sent out if you are sending them a contract. So this right here, this is what it would look like. So the same thing, there's a placeholder and there's this link that you cannot remove. Alright, then also we have the credit analysis is finished and also the analyzer. So this allows us to let our customers know that we already done the credit analysis. So this is what we are sending to the credit analysis via email to your clients. Then we do have the customer active notification to employee email. So this one right here, if you click on view, this is an automatic email being sent out to your employees if there's one of their current leads assigned to them has been signed or changed from a lead status to active status, so that they get notified that they need to start working on that client. But you have to make sure that you activate the notification to your employee. Same goes with the customer no portal access notification to employee. And in order for you to do that, you need to go to company and go to your employees and outsources. So this is where you would see the list of your employees. So all you need to do is just click onto the edit icon under the action section and turn on the notification right here. Once done, just hit on save. You could also watch the training video for the employee notification to know more about the notification function. So just hit on save, and that employee should receive those notifications through their email. Alright, so going back to the manage emails, aside from that, we also have the document notification to admin and document notification to user. So this basically allows the admin to be notified if there's a new document coming in, and this also notifies any users or clients that we have already received their documents. So let's say the document has been sent out already and you already marked the document as reviewed. That's the time that this particular email gets sent out to your customer. Then we have the new deletion email. So this one right here. So the new deletion email is a powerful email. It's an email that allows you to send information to your clients of any results that you have came across, especially deletions on their accounts when doing the dispute. So you basically have the option to send the deletion results through email. You can find that under the dispute manager if you go to the results screen. So let's go to the other tab. Let's go to dispute manager. If you go to results screen, there you go. So there's an option for you to send deletion results. So let's say, for example, these accounts has been deleted already. So you can just tick the boxes and send deletion results. All right. So going back to the manage emails, we also have the new dispute rounds for collectors, new dispute rounds for credit bureaus, and for the creditors. This 3 email is something that you can turn on and turn off, and these emails are automatically being sent out to your clients if they're turned on. So this right here, this is if you have printed out letters. So if you turn them on, so I'm turning on 3 of it, and then let me show you what happens. So let's say you already created a dispute letter for your clients, and you go to Blueprint. All right, so these are examples. So I have here a letter for credit bureau, for creditors, and for collectors. So let's say, for example, for the credit bureau, so if you click on that and send it to print, there you go. So just let's say you click on print, and then as you can see, there's a pop-up message saying if you have printed the letters, they will be moved to archive screen. So you just hit on yes, and once done, there's going to be a pop-up. As you can see, the accounts in dispute email has been sent to your customer. So that's going to be same goes with the creditors and collectors. So if I'm going to hit on the creditor, hit on print, then print this one, hit on yes, receive the pop-up showing that the email has been sent to your customer. And lastly, their collector. So it works the same thing. So let's hit on print on this one. There you go. So this is the letter. Just hit on print, hit on yes. There you go, and the email has been sent to your customer. Now you can easily turn it off and on if you don't want to send those notifications to your customers. So let's go back to manage emails. There you go. So right here, like I said, you can turn it off if you don't want your customers to be notified about the dispute rounds. You can easily turn that off. Now, aside from that, we also have the new employee email. This one right here. This is when you add a new employee and make them active inside a software, and you want them to be able to create their own login credentials. So this is basically the first email that they will be receiving. Then we have the paper deletion email. So this is when we are sending them a good faith credit restoration paper deletion estimate. This is when you send them an email of the good faith estimate. So you could find that under billing, and if you go to paper deletion, so I have here a sample good faith estimate that has been generated already. So in order for you to send that email, you just need to click this icon, and your customer will receive that email. Just hit on yes, and they will receive this paper deletion email. All right. Then we do have the personal letter corrections. This one right here. This is us allowing their customer to be on the loop, letting them know that we have already disputed some personal information onto their account. Then we have the resend contract email. So this is if your client did not complete the client auto sign-up process and you want them to start where they left off. What you need to do is just go back to customer screen, and from here onto the list of your customers, you just have to click on send email, and whatever contract you sent initially, you just need to click on to this to resend it. So for this customer, we've sent a customized contract. So in order for you to resend that, you just have to click this one to resend, and they will continue where they left off. Alright, so going back to manage emails, lastly we have the send new referral. So this is letting you know that there's a new referral coming from your affiliate. So that's going to be your affiliate sending a referral through their affiliate client tracking portal. So those are the different templates that we do have on the automated email templates, and that would complete our quick training tutorial onto the automated email templates inside the software.